Illinois joins a growing list of states that are issuing their own vaccination guidelines. Governor J.B. Pritzker issued an executive order recently that directs the Illinois Department of Public Health to work with other state agencies to develop the new guidelines. Pritzker says his order intends to make sure Illinois residents continue to have access to vaccines for the flu, COVID-19, and other common illnesses, adding it was made necessary after the FDA announced stricter guidelines for who should get the updated COVID vaccine.